Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Pravaz's very first YouTube video. We're so excited to have you all here with us to kick off this amazing journey. Let's take a sneak peek into who we are and why we started this project. Let's start by introducing the team. I'll go first. I'm Tahreem and I'm the content head here at Pravaz. I'm responsible for designing and crafting all the content that you see on our platforms, be it Instagram or YouTube. As a person, I've always been a very creative one and I enjoy telling authentic stories. If you don't find me working towards bringing Pravaz's vision to life, you'll probably catch me playing basketball.
Hi guys, I'm Vaya. I'm the head of media production and videography here at Pravaz. At my core, I would say I'm an artist. I love making art and I love telling stories, which is why Pravaz is so special to me.
Hello everyone, my name is Asad and I'm Chief Editor at Pravaz. My basic responsibilities include final checking all of the content that is supposed to go live, whether it's on YouTube or Instagram. And if you don't find me doing the job that I just said, you'll probably find me doing cosplaying at different events in Pakistan. Other than that, I am a major board game geek. Most of my time is consumed playing board games.
Hello, I'm Fatma and I'm the media head at Pravaz. I mainly manage Instagram and YouTube for Pravaz. I have a very strong creative instinct and I have a very strong passion for painting. So I try to include originality and my artistic insight into whatever I create.
Hello, my name is Zen. I'm the head of graphics at Pravaz. I'm also passionate about video editing and that's sort of my career.
Now that you know a bit about us, let's play a fun game so that you can get to know us more. The game is called Would You Rather.
Oh,
Asad,
God.
would you rather always have to sing instead of talk or always have to dance instead of walk?
Simply, I think I'd probably prefer dancing more than singing all the time.
Percent, would you rather be able to taste colors or see smells?
I don't know how, because these are very abstract concepts, but I guess taste, color.
But would you rather have fingers as long as your legs or legs as long as your fingers?
If I'm the only person with legs as long as my fingers, then I'll be pretty short. So I think I'd go with fingers as long as my legs.
Oh, those are long.
Yeah.
Fatma, would you rather have a third arm which no one can see or a second head that only talks when you're asleep?
I'd rather have a second, third arm.
Now that you know a bit about us, let's talk about Pravaz. So guys, why did we come up with this venture? Tell us a story, tell us a moment that stuck with you, which made you feel like there was a need for a platform like Pravaz.
Personally, for me, there was a classmate of mine and a good friend as well, Rabia. She started off her small venture where she created like artistic things such as drawings on canvases as well as clay products such as plates and other figurines. So when I saw her like pursuing this venture of hers, the only problem that I observed that was like a major blockade or barrier for her was visibility. I think that was the moment I realized that there should be a platform that could possibly help these kind of cases.
So for me, Pravaz is a very important platform because many people in us as well as SCH I've seen have their own businesses and these people don't have a platform to show it. So that's the main reason was to target these small businesses that are in us and to showcase them in our platform.
I think for me, it was mostly about storytelling because, like I said, there's a lot of people who are doing very great things, but they don't have the recognition. And so we all wanted to explore these very unique stories and show them in a real, raw, and honest way.
I think Pravaz means a lot to me personally because I think a lot of our local talent, our government doesn't provide any platform for the local talent that we have. So in search of a better opportunity, a better life, people from our country, they go abroad, they flourish and make wonderful lives for themselves. जिसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है अपने लिए अपनी फैमिली के लिए बेटे जाना हर एक का राइट है कहीं बात भी होनी चाहिए but my heart breaks when I see Pakistan the way it is right now. So ये छोटी सी effort है in making this place a better, in making this country a better place to live in providing opportunities to young entrepreneurs, to seniors, to juniors, to everybody.
I agree with all of them. For me personally, Pravaz means freedom. It's freedom for every individual to showcase their talent, their products, their services, whatever they do. And if I specifically talk about one conversation that stuck with me, that would be कि मैंने अपनी cousin से कुछ सालों पहले बात की थी and she was very passionate about a sustainable clothing brand, and she launched it. But मसला उसको किसी finances किसी और चीज़ का नहीं था, resources का, बस यही मसला था कि visibility, and she couldn't reach a wider audience. Unfortunately, she had to close it down. So now when I think of Parvaz, and when now we've created this venture, I can't stop but think about her, and if Parvaz was brought to life back then. The first interview, the documentary that we shot, it's regarding a baker, Islamabad based, home based. So let us know in the comments below, आपको क्या लगता है वो कौन है?
In the future, I definitely see Parvaz as the go-to platform for young entrepreneurs and young talent to really bring them up and to bring them to light. And I definitely see it expanding, and I see a lot more brands coming in, a lot more collaborations, and it's all about building a community and not just sharing content. So a community of young entrepreneurs and young talent that is supporting each other and helping lift each other up.
And I think adding to that, lift हम कर ही नहीं सकते कुकिंग में, but I think प्रवास का एक और मकसद है कि to highlight the craft and art that isn't valued a lot, especially in Pakistan. उनको उनकी वो recognition और appreciation मिले थे.
और जैसे कि परवाज एक वेंचर था, इंस्पिरेशन किसी से, तो हम भी यही चाहते हैं कि परवाज आप लोगों के लिए भी एक इंस्पिरेशन हो अपना वेंचर शुरू करने के लिए, और अगर वो आप शुरू कर ही रहे हैं तो परवाज को रीच आउट जरूर कीजिएगा।
That's true. असद ने बिल्कुल सही बात की। हम उन बिजनेसेस को तो उठा ही रहे हैं जिनको रिकग्निशन नहीं मिलती, लेकिन इट ऑल्सो एक्ट्स एज परवाज ऑल्सो एक्ट्स एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन फॉर दोज पीपल जो जिनका बिजनेस नहीं है बट वो शुरू करना चाहते हैं, वो दे जस्ट नीड दैट लिटिल पुश, तो ये उन लोगों के लिए भी है। ओके गाइस, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। वी होप यू आर एज एक्साइटेड एज वी आर फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑफ परवाज। स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर वीडियोस
एंड थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।
कीप ड्रीमिंग बिग, परवाज इज जस्ट गेटिंग स्टार्टेड।
तुम्हें कुछ कहना भी था?
Oh yes, subscribe to our channel below and follow us on Instagram. Take care.
Bye.